and my wife.
Nursery student.
So research.
Wait lang. Actually, malaki pa nga sa'yo ng wedges eh. But it's okay. Open. Come. Yan. Another one. Wow!
And my wife. As a nursery student. And my wife. As a nursery student. Edward. Speed. Just be happy to never get to my work.
Jasly,
This school.
you're going to school na? Di, tingnan mo itong anak mo. Wait lang, Jasly, wait lang. Bye-bye. Nursery na yan? Nursery na? Ah! How's your first day? Hoy, nasan bag mo? Bakit nauna ka? Oh, may very good agad yung first day. Turuan mo siyang gumamit ng pencil.
Sa data. Yan.
Good job.
Good.
A couple let's you.
Yes, sa that. What about this? Ito muna.
So,
Star.
let's try.
Sa that. What about this one? What shape is this muna? Square. Saan siya? Ayun. What about this one? Ah, dito. Oh, ito. Ayun. Okay na. Done na. Tignan mo.